next edition of Sewing Something at Home, you're going to need a few things. First, some pins. Pin what you're doing. You're going to need fabric marker to mark the fabric. You're going to need fabric ruler, clear, it's got little markings on it. You can use a regular ruler too. You're going to need little scissors, it's got little things, threads, such. You're going to need bigger scissors, it's got bigger things like fabric. And your felted stress cube. And sewing machine. And an iron. Alright, well, I'm just so excited today we could wrangle Professor John Coltrane into the studio for a little sewing demonstration. So we could use his famous legs. So we'll just fold it up under there like that. Get rid of some excess bulky bulk. Put a little pin right there.
And put a little pin. Straight across.
Now that you've pinned the length that you want, let's mark the hem at the bottom. So you can just mark it right along the edge. That is right there. Edge. After marking the hem, you can take the pins out and unfold it. So, it's right there. What we're going to do now is draw a line straight across. Then move it down 3/4 of an inch to draw the fold line. Then another 1/2 inch to draw the cut line. Then I'll flip it over, do it on the other side too. So we're drawing the hem line.
Right where you marked it. Then 3/4 inches down. Draw the fold line. Another 1/2 inch down. Draw the cut line.
Now, you can just cut it. Right along that cut line. Get rid of the extra. Alright, now you're ready to use the machine. So, we got the pants still right side out like this, but we're going to fold it inside along those lines that we marked and sew it along that edge right there. Isn't that right, Josie? There you go. Alright, then the last step, just to clean it up, make it look finished. I'm going to trim off these threads.
The outside, you're just pulling through to the inside. Trim off.
Make it look crisp and finished.